Hello and welcome to the EEPROM 9. You may be wondering why you're looking at this TV. Well, we have a TI-99 that needs restoring. And so, let's get on with it and show you the symptoms. Now, I've already checked the power supply is good. I've built my own custom video cable because, well, doesn't come... You don't get them when you get them spares repair, and the symptom is this. Absolutely no video output, although you do see something on the scope when you probe it with the scope. And that god-awful, horrible noise. And my battery's about to die, so we're going to move to the next segment where we open this up. And we're going to start with the RAM, because this uses Mostek RAM, and Mostek RAM is not the most reliable stuff on the earth. It's better than MT RAM, but still. Most of my IBM 5150 was filled with Mostek, and there was a lot of dead chips. So, welcome back, and we have the motherboard out. Yes, this is what a TI-99 for a motherboard looks like. We have standard features which you'd find on a motherboard, such as the CPU, which is actually a 16-bit CPU, more specifically the TMS 990. Because this was actually the first 16-bit home-bit computer. Interestingly, these two chips here are not actually RAM, but they're actually ROM. They're actually RAM. You wouldn't expect that. SRAM. Then we got another ROM. There's the ROM. So we got some potential other failure points, as you'd expect. We got video generator chip here, I/O. RAM here, which is what we're interested in, from this chip to this chip. I'm guessing that's used as addressing. And they're really the major chips we really care about. I'm not sure what this one is up here. It is a C20025. I'll look that up later probably. But yeah, I'm going to start by basically desoldering the RAM and getting it so it's socketed, so then I can put some known good RAM chips in and see if we get any different result from the machine. Fun fact, much like the Acorn Electron, the TI-99 actually has a switch mode internal power supply, and the input is actually entirely AC. In fact, this takes two separate AC inputs from the transformer and then uses this to convert it to a whole bunch of different voltages. Negative 5 volts, negative 12 volts, positive 5 volts, and then of course your standard negative. So yeah, there's centre tapped 10 volts and 12 volts basically. Oh, it's been a while since I've worked on this, but I've done a whole load of debugging on this thing. Adrian Black's video was very useful in sort of the guide to follow on how to find the various faults and whatnot, because he went through the well, the schematic and whatnot that is, well, an absolute piece of crap, frankly. First we had jittery crystal, so he needed to be replaced, so he was replaced. And then we checked all the ROMs and RAMs, and they're all coming up good on the oscilloscope, so that was good. There's nothing to show on the oscilloscope because I haven't got it in run stop mode. But the next suspects that have come up are the 3 buffer chips. One isn't technically a buffer chip. The 74LS244, the 74LS245, and the 74LS373. And there's some translation issues between them. Similar to what was on the IBM 5150, in fact. Oh, swirly bokeh. That's cool. So I'm going to replace those chips to see what happens and see if that makes a difference to getting this lovely machine to boot. Because that would be awesome. And if it's those, that's even better because it's none of the custom chips and I don't have to order anything because I have everything I need in stock already. I might have to end up publishing this just as a part 1, because this is confusing the hell out of me. Because I've removed the buffer chips, I've removed the G-ROMs, because we're getting weird signals. But as soon as I put them on the, what I think are the outputs of the G-ROMs, but good luck getting pinouts of these chips. And I have to say, TI, your schematics are fucking Egyptian hieroglyphics. They're impossible to see what the hell is going on. And we keep getting weirdness like this